Hello, David here from MarineMax in Lake Hopatcong. I am standing next to a 2025 Harris 210 Sunliner. You can see it's on a gorgeous Magic Tilt trailer. The Sunliner has 3 decorative bars up on deck, factory dock lights, entryway on the port side, power bimini above my head, saltwater package with anodes. Let's get up on deck. We'll show you the rest of the boat. Okay, we moved up on the aft of this boat, a 4-step stainless steel ladder. You can see we have our rail system here with fender storage, our chains, which make it safe to ride on the back of the boat. Of course, our ski pylon, 200 horsepower DTS, single lounger with charge ports, stereo controls. We're going to move inside here. Take a look at this backrest. It'll stop at 45, so you can lounge aft. It will also go all the way flat. There's storage underneath these seats, dual batteries underneath the port side seat. Our dual captain's chairs will both spin to face our guests. Up here on the helm, we have a wireless charger. We have our power bimini top, we have our stereo controls, and of course the Simrad. Finishing off the boat, moving forward, plenty of seating with a table mount right center. Absolutely gorgeous light gray boat, white exterior, available at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong.